I'm making a super easy recipe for classic Greek tzatziki sauce, except instead of cucumbers, I'm going to use a carrot. We need good Greek yogurt, nice and thick Greek yogurt for this, a fresh carrot, and you can do it either on I like to use the finer tooth grater. Everyone knows tzatziki, Greek tzatziki sauce as a combination of yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, dill, olive oil, sometimes a little vinegar. But that's actually a version you want to make only in the summertime when cucumbers are in season. There are lots of other variations on the yogurt vegetable theme, and we sometimes call them tzatziki too. Carrot is something that you can make when it's cooler weather. You could do beetroot tzatziki, you could do greens or spinach tzatziki, so it's kind of this endless variety. The next thing up is to chop the garlic. And you can make this as garlicky or as mild as you like. You want to use some sort of herb, and I like to add mint to the carrot tzatziki because it goes really well together. And you want to clean off the leaves from the stems. The stems can be a little bit tough. Bunch it up. A little bit of salt. And now we basically want to mix this with a little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil. You always want a little acid, but a little red wine vinegar, just half a cupful. And then just mix it all together. And there we have it. I'm going to serve this up. I get a little olive oil over the top since I have a little bit of carrot left. Okay, it's time to taste the tzatziki with carrots. And I have carob flour paksimadia, basically hardtack or rusk. This is great when you have company for a buffet, as a little appetizer in the beginning. It's a real winner, a Greek tzatziki with carrots.